API 10D restoring force test is designed to measure the ability of a centralizer to centralize casing inside the wellbore. At the end of the test, we produce a load deflection curve of the performance of the centralizer, and this is used to create a restoring force figure.
I'm here today to verify that the case and centralizer tests which are being conducted are done in accordance with the appropriate API standard, that's API 10D. I will witness each step of that inspection process. Centek will produce a number of test certificates which will be presented to me for sign-in, stamping and dating.
Following the API testing of the 7x 8.5 inch centralizers, it was found that the Centek centralizer was the highest performer, with a restoring force more than twice that of the DHP centralizer, over 27% higher than the Sledgehammer product, and 46% more than the Weatherford product. Using our true standoff figure, we found that the DHP product had a 53% lower restoring force, while the Weatherford product had a 39% lower restoring force compared to their respective datasheets, which proves that datasheets cannot always be used for a reliable product comparison.